We aren't even really camping, we're glamping because, you know, look at that. No matter how hard we try, it still takes us forever.
Seems like forever, doesn't it?
Yeah, well, we had to pick up the kids from school and then fill up the tanks with water and then put all the crap in the car and...
At least we didn't have to like pack Tetris and like tents and stuff like that. So.
No.
Long weekend, and we are taking the opportunity because we can. And so should you. Even though you'll be watching this after the long weekend, so who cares? Anyway, so that's what we're doing. We're gonna go and pretty much sit on someone's property for the next 3 or 4 days, aren't we?
Be good.
Kids are gonna ride some horses apparently, so it should be a fun time. This thing's cool, I do like this bar table thing. Definitely a good little feature.
House locked?
I am 90% sure.
90%. Well, you said 90%. It's locked. Man, I'm tired. Very tired. iPads.
Hey?
iPads.
Got iPads, got phones, wallet. What, Oddie?
Wouldn't be a weekend camping trip with a last minute trip to Woolworths because we forgot stuff.
Definitely alright though.
Yep. Where are we going?
Hi everyone.
So this is a U-camp that Brent found on the internet. It's a working cattle station, and then they hire it out. So there's more. Is that a Mercedes?
You can get out here with a car, like it's not crazy.
No. Because it's a working cattle property, why we thought it would be cool for our kids is that we're feeding animals and they offer horse rides. So we've done that, you know, just to make it a bit more exciting for them. Look at that. And the van's awesome because it has an inverter, so my inner coffee snob is happy because I can have coffee. Let's go. Why are you taking your bike?
Because I want to ride down.
Oh, okay.
Good morning.
Riley. You've got the OG shirt on too. Original shirt.
Yeah. And you've got J-Max.
I do have a J-Max. I'm all J-Max today. I didn't even mean to do that.